Stop using plywood and bricks to launch your expensive RC cars. Seriously, stop it. This massive launch ramp was supplied to me to demonstrate to you if it could send my truck to the moon, or if it's just gonna break and fall apart in my driveway. It's my job to check it out and let you know what I found. First off, the specs on this are actually impressive. It is nearly 40 inches wide and sits almost 16 inches high. That is a huge deal because usually these ramps are too narrow and you miss them half the time. This one is wide enough for a 1/5 scale beast and steep enough to get serious airtime on a 1/10 scale bash. Oh my gosh, they're launching way harder than even I expected. I think I just saw it clear the roof. The best part, this ramp didn't budge an inch. It was light, it was easy to carry. The curve is perfect for a smooth release, so you get your attitude without tumbling. If you want to send it, you're going to need to go get this. Before we go do that, please don't tell Nikki just how high these things are going. She's going to be really pissed at you. Have you ever wanted a monster ramp to launch your RC vehicles off of? I have a monster one here, which was provided to me to do this review, but with no instructions. They're like, we came up with the cool new ramp. Test it out, tell the people what you find. And so in order for me to do that, lined up behind me is my selection of crash test dummies, all the way from 1/7 scale down to 1/16 scale, all different shapes and sizes. We're gonna crash them off this thing. Let me show you how easy it is to set this up. So all you need to do is unfold like so, open this up. Now, it is very adjustable. There are 3 different adjustments, how much of an angle you want. I'm going with the massive angle. I think we should be launching these things into space. That's the whole point of this stuff. It's got a nice simple pin. You put the pin in, put the clip back on it. Same thing on the other side. And as you see me flip this thing over, it is very lightweight. Now, in all fairness, one thing I will say about it is it definitely has that kind of like, not in a bad way, like kind of in like a craftsman way, definitely not like factory floor. They're all identical. Like I could see all the markings, I could see where they drilled it, I could see where they welded things and put everything together. It is very nicely put together, but it definitely has that like custom kind of feel to it. Oh, look at that. Oh man, is that cool looking. So it also comes with these cool reflective stripes so you could put on however you want. Oh, I just realized this isn't the astronaut version. Let me show you, just so you can see. As I was saying, there are 1, 2, 3 settings, and this is actually the most mild version. I think we'll move it to the middle version for the sake of this test. See how many of these guys survive. Middle version for the test. Let's load it up, throw some batteries in, and launch some RC cars. All right, here we go. I've spent an entire afternoon trying to break my collection of RC cars, and I will say I only broke one. I think a little bit of that I'm going to attribute it to I have tried so many times to build my own little custom ramps, and you just can never get this arc just right? You see this nice curved arc which just launches them nice and smooth up in the air. This thing is perfect, and it obviously should be perfect because you're paying good money for it, but in exchange for that, you are getting perfect, as opposed to when you try to bend the plywood and stack things up on top of garbage pails, and it never works right. You should definitely get this because it is so much fun, it's crazy, and it is so much more portable than you thought. This thing is a must-have. There's actually a link right here on the screen or down below. Either one works the same way. And remember, if I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel, smash that hype feature for me breaking everything for you. And if you have any questions or thoughts about it, throw them in the comments. Let's have a conversation. Why don't you guess which one of the 5 RCs I broke? And again, speaking of break, I just want to say again, that giant 1/7 scale, which weighs a freaking ton, didn't do a thing to this. It launched like a rock star. It was awesome. I was a little worried that it was like gonna smash into it and break it, but it absolutely did not do that. You should definitely get yourself this. Super cool.